weekly options, or just your day trading in general. Nail the daily chart, you'll nail your analysis. Meta, I mean, react a little bit, but not very much. Big picture, I would really like Meta to do this. But depending on how we open tomorrow, we could have a small little tech correction, and I would like that a lot. The big tip, I think all of you know this, but one of the reasons why, and I'm not telling you this to sell myself. I love selling my services to people who love them, but the truth is, if you ever do a live class with me, I'm always going to do my absolute best to make sure that that live class pays you to take it live. So tomorrow, there's a lot of tech stocks that are very far away from their 10, Meta being one of them. If Meta opens below the low of today's candle, I will be looking to buy something that rhymes with weekly put options. And I will look to day trade that short to capture, a few thousand or a few $100. So I can tell you all that now. If Meta is opening below the low of the day, that's what I'm going to do. Fair? Because I think Meta is going to have a little bit of freak out with the whole VR thing. Meta, I watched Meta for a day trade yesterday and didn't get one. Same thing today. Two really nice shooting stars at a 52-week high. And I think this is like a 2-year high. So like whatever that is, 104 weeks. I do want to buy a dip on Meta. I will buy the dip on Meta. I got trades ready to go on this ticker to buy the pullback. Watch this one very closely to see if it opens below the lows of these last two candles. If it can do that, that will be very bearish, and you would have to play that bearish down into probably 250. All right, everyone, and this was the trade on Meta today. So we started planning it on Monday in the Day Trading Weekly Options class, talked about it again on Tuesday. You had these back-to-back shooting star candles, and obviously we did not open below the low, but we took out the low. And we all know how to trade shooting star candles, which is, wait for the lows to get taken out. Both of these shooting star candles are perfect since they have lower shadows. I mean, this is like a 9.5 out of 10. This is a 9.999 out of 10. Both of these together, 10 out of 10. So when Meta takes out the low of both of those days, which is going to be represented by the purple line, this was the trade that I placed. And again, obviously, I could have held for more, but it's never about how much I could have held for. It's about what did I capture. And I waited for it to take out the low of the day, the low of the prior day with my favorite pattern, which is a descending triangle. 4 bear candles in a row closed below the prior low of the day. After that 4th bear candle came in, I did a limit sell at 269.45. Stop at 270.92, which is above this pivot, and target was able to stretch it for 1.5 hours because I missed my 1.2 by a couple of cents here, so I lowered it down, hit 1.5, and that was it. Now what's fantastic about this analysis team is this was one that I've been preparing since Monday, waiting for that low of the day to either get taken out by a move or a gap, and this was a very profitable trade. I hope this helps you all understand how you can pre-plan your day trades in advance using the daily chart. Thanks so much for watching this video. You rock.